Right on. New wheels for the Pikes Peak 2022 and new livery. Alright, to match this livery, they're gonna put the white wheels. Is it the same wheels?
Same.
Just a different color, right? TP5. So we're going to test, final test on Monday. Today is Friday, so then we'll be ready for the race week, which is the week after. Stay tuned. So we are going to test one last time before Pikes Peak, but first we're gonna go eat at Mickey's. Let's go from here. What are you gonna order?
Filet o fish.
That sounds kind of good.
And chicken nuggets.
How about you?
Number 7, 2 cheeseburgers, gigantic Diet Coke.
Wow. Look, sounds like you come here all the time.
I like McDonald's. You can tell.
Is it giant enough?
No.
Wait, there's
Need a bigger one. Yep.
How's the flies, kids?
Did I put it in here? I don't think so.
Right, so normally there's a chiller that takes Freon from the AC system, and that only helps to cool the battery system. We've added another one to help keep the drive unit powertrain system also cooler. And then there's an extra cooler, so we're gonna see if all of this will help us keep the temperatures low enough where it can run the whole 12 minutes.
Right on. So the problem is, I think the Tesla's issue is it gets heated on the battery and the motor, right?
Yes.
And then before we only had the chiller for battery, but now that you have for the motor too. So hopefully it'll keep the cool temp for both battery and the motor, so that I can run the high power for a long time. We'll find out soon, right?
Yep.
Okay. Right.
So do 2 laps, do a setup verification because get the shocks rebuilt.
Okay.
So just make sure everything works the way we think it should work. After that, come in. I'm gonna start the dash system to simulate Pikes, and then we'll do a long run.
Long run. Okay, cool. 10 laps, 11, 12.
12.
12. Party time. So I just had a 12 lap straight. I mean, I had a 2 laps for little setup check. It went well, so we went straight to 12 laps straight, which kind of equal to Pikes Peak length. I think it went well. I think whatever Kel did helped to get the power longer. It's still, you know, slows down quite a bit, but it was good. But now it's a little bit more oversteer than I ever feel like, because I think the new bumper system, new aero system is working almost too good. So high speed turns, I get a lot of oversteer when I lift. So Mike just did a little tweak on the suspensions, and hopefully it'll minimize the issue. By the way, this new XL padding for my hands is working so good. I don't feel like there's a hands here. Man, this is the good stuff. I should have had this like long time ago. Thank you. Alright, so testing was good. I forgot to mention, you guys did some oil thing for this guy, right? Even though it's an electric car.
Yeah, so the drive units still run a sort of gear oil in it, and Ineos, our oil partner, a lot of people might wonder what is Ineos doing for an EV car. Well, they made us a custom drive unit fluid to help us with drag, like mechanical drag and cooling as well. It's supposed to make the drive units run a little bit cooler.
I guess it worked, because I feel like the power was lasting longer than before, right?
Yeah, it looks like the power drop off is not as severe, and it's pushed back a lot further than our previous runs in testing.
So I guess we're all ready for Pikes Peak next week. Can't wait, man. Cheer on us, and we'll try to aim the fastest Tesla Model 3 in history. Is that right?
Yeah, I hope so.
Okay. Wish us luck. Thank you guys for watching. Smash the like button and subscribe as well. And see you on the next video. Got it.